In this session, let us learn about ends with equals, equals ignore case, hash code, index of string methods. Java strings index with method. Java string ends with method. The ends with method checks whether a string ends with the specified characters s. Use the starts with method to check whether a string starts with the specified character s. Syntax: public boolean ends with string characters. See the parameter value, a string representing the characters to check for. See the technical details, a boolean value, true if the string ends with the specified characters s, false if the string does not end with the specified characters s. See the example, find out if the string ends with the specified characters. If we write and execute this code, the output result returns this false, true, true. Java string equals method. The equals method compares two strings and returns true if the strings are equal and false if not. Use the compare to method to compare two strings lexicographically. See the syntax: public boolean equals method, objects another object. See the parameter value, another object, an object representing the other string to be compared. Technical details, a boolean value, true if the strings are equal, false if the strings are not equal. Overrides equals in class objects. See the example, compare strings to find out if they are equal. See, if we read and execute this code, the output results, see here, returns true because they are equal and one is false because it's false. Java string equals ignore case method. The equals ignore case method compares two strings ignoring lowercase and uppercase differences. This method returns true if the strings are equal and false if not. Use the compare to ignore case method to compare two strings lexicographically ignoring case differences. See the syntax: public boolean equals ignore case, string another string. Parameter value, another string, a string representing the other string to be compared. Technical details, a boolean value, true if the strings are equal ignoring case differences, false if the strings are not equal. See the example, compare strings to find out if they are equal ignoring case differences. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns this true, false. Java string hash code method. The hash code method returns the hash code of a string. The hash code for a string object is compared like this, whereas I is the ith character of the string, n is the length of the string, and or indicates exponentiations. Public int hash code. Parameter values none. Technical details, returns an integer value representing the hash code of the string. See the example, return the hash code of a string. If we read and execute this code, the output result returns this 69609650. Java string index of method. The index of method returns the position of the first occurrences of specified characters s in a string. Use the last index of method to return the position of the last occurrence of specified characters s in a string. Syntax: there are four index of methods: public int index of method, public int index of string str in form index method, public int index of int character method, public int index of int character and int form index method. Parameter value, string, a string value representing the string to search for. Form index, an int value representing the index position to start the search form. Char value, an int value representing a single character, example capital A or a Unicode value. Technical details, an int value representing the index of the first occurrence of the characters in the string, or -1 if it never occurs. See the example, search a string for the first occurrence of planet. If we write and execute this code, the result returns is 6. See another example, find the first occurrence of the letter E in a string starting the search at the position 5. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns 10. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 65. ends with equals, equals ignore case, hash code, index of string methods. In next video let us learn about another topic is empty, last index, replace, starts with two lowercase and uppercase string methods.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.